Hey there, fashion and design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Motoguo, a Malaysian designer brand that's making a bold comeback after a 2-year hiatus. And let me tell you, their story is an intriguing one, filled with wit, emotion, and a unique perspective on the fashion industry. Motoguo, founded by Motoguo and Campy, is back with a bang, presenting their fall 2026 collection titled, Coming Soon. This collection is a coming-of-age tale, inspired by the indie film, Little Miss Sunshine. It's a nostalgic yet playful take on fashion, with a twist of what they call, refined maximalism. Guo describes it as a fluid state, a gentle whisper saying, "Hi, here we are." And that's exactly what this brand is doing, making a statement, but with a subtle, refined approach. Now, here's where it gets interesting. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the founders were based in Kuala Lumpur, while their manufacturing was primarily in Shenzhen. When China closed its borders, Motoguo had to put things on hold. But what's fascinating is their reason for returning to an uncertain market. Campy, one of the founders, explains that it's all about positivity. They use this positivity to cover up an underlying sadness, hedonistic rebellion, if you will. It's almost like a double-edged sword, a brand that's optimistic on the surface but has a nuanced, emotional core. Zemirashu, co-founder of Tube Showroom, who has been working with Motoguo since its inception, believes the brand's ideal world has evolved. Yet, it still resonates with clients interested in art and design. Shu says, they never let go of fun, humor, and vintage aesthetics, but they've toned it down in response to the economic downturn. This harsher business environment has also influenced Motoguo's retail approach. They've launched pop-ups in Shanghai and Kuala Lumpur during Chinese New Year, with plans to expand to Japan or South Korea in the future. The collection itself is an intriguing mix of playful and mundane. Collaborating with the graphic artist Oliwa Biu, based in Shenzhen, they've created a capsule collection with a subversive edge. Visual cues from Biu's dreamy, pastel comics are translated into flirtatious design details, like boxer shorts with a mythical horn peeking out. Biu has also created the visual identity for the Fall 2026 collection, with a slogan that reads, "Head out into the world of Motoguo, have faith in what will be." It's a powerful message, encouraging faith in oneself and the potential for transformation. During Shanghai Fashion Week, Motoguo won't be on the runway but will showcase their collection in a visually captivating showroom. They are also a finalist for the New Wave Fashion Awards, which will announce the winner soon. What's truly fascinating is how Motoguo's comeback coincides with the rise of AI. They are not only starting anew creatively but also organizationally, with the help of Notion, customizable AI workspace. Campy describes Notion as a belief system, almost like a personality transformation. It's an interesting take on how technology can influence and shape a brand's identity. Guo believes this reset will help Motoguo focus on what truly matters, providing emotional support through fashion. They want their clothes to be a mental pick-me-up, a conversation starter, and a way to brighten someone's day. So, there you have it, folks. Motoguo's comeback is an emotional journey, a blend of positivity and sadness, and a unique take on fashion's role in our lives. It's a story that showcases the power of design and the impact it can have on our emotions and experiences. I hope you found this exploration as fascinating as I did. Until next time, keep an eye out for the extraordinary in the everyday.